Every car does this eventually. You push the button, and nothing.
So I asked the manual, plain words, won't start. Check 1 surprised me. A message about my key fob. Weak battery. In the remote, not the car.
Check 2, an immobilizer light blinking. The engine locks itself. Most people have never seen that.
Both checks, cited, right there. 2 checks, every time. Cited, not guessed.
Xjust. On the App Store now.
So next time it just won't start.
Xjust it.